Hey, so I'll just do a quick walkthrough of VoiceTree. I'm Manu, and so how I usually use this is I start by doing a brain dump of what I'm talking about. So I'll start recording, and it'll do speech to text. You can see the transcription subtitles here, and turn what I'm saying into a context tree like this. I'll make some manual edits if necessary for like spec files, which are quite specific. And then I start running an agent, starting usually with a bit of like an exploration or investigation phase. So that's what I did here, and it made did the analysis. So if I want to do that again, I would just click run. It starts running Claude with the prompt from this context file, which includes all the nearby nodes and formats it as a tree and puts all the content there. So then Claude knows like what's going on, why we're actually doing this, what the constraints are. And then once it's done, so I'll kill this guy, it makes a handover node. And then I kind of go through these like context chains from, starting with like a exploration, then to an implementation plan, and then to actually doing the implementation. And all along, it's just carrying over the same context files. So I'll stop recording this, and I'll show you. So I can see, for example, the tree made just now for this demo that I was explaining from the voice that I was talking about. For example, here I could say add a node and say create a visual explaining this. And then if I run it with the command enter hotkey, this is going to go do its thing, and it'll make a progress node. And then I can cycle through the terminals with hotkeys as well, so I can quickly get to a specific agent and its nearby context. So here, if I go here, I know it's working on this task with this context, and here's its progress as well. Yeah, so once it's done, it makes the progress node. So I just said create a visual explaining this, and then if I hover over the node, here's the visual. So speech text, raw thoughts, manual editing, run the agents, gets the context, gets the handover node, and then you run an agent on the previous progress node. And yeah, then, if I come back to this the next day, my context is just in the exact same state. So it's really easy to resume a project. It's fun working on it.